Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Baby Bingo is probably one of the most delightful and interactive games you can include at any baby shower, transforming a simple gathering into a memorable celebration filled with laughter, anticipation, and friendly competition as guests eagerly mark off squares hoping to shout bingo first, making it an absolute must-have for creating an unforgettable experience for the parents-to-be and all their loved ones. Number 5. Hearty Pink Tummy Measure Baby Shower Game. Transform your baby shower into an epic celebration with these fun and hilarious games. Your guests will have a blast guessing the size of the baby bump, making it the perfect activity for any theme. This extravaganza includes 2 rolls of pink tummy measure tapes, each perfectly sized at 2 inches by 150 feet. They are professionally printed on premium paper for sturdiness, yet are easy to tear without needing scissors. Laugh, bond, and win with these easy-to-play, funny baby shower games. They make a great icebreaker for both girls and boys, and no special preparation is necessary to get started. Playing is incredibly easy, all you have to do is open the box and start. Adults and co-ed groups will have fun with these gender-neutral games, fitting perfectly with any baby shower theme. This tummy measure game is everything you need to create lasting memories. For an added fun factor, consider including baby shower game gifts. Make your baby shower a cherished event for everyone. What we like? This offers a unique, interactive guessing game that gets everyone involved. Its generous length and no scissors design makes setup a breeze. If you're looking for a simple, hilarious icebreaker that requires minimal effort, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 4. Hearty Baby Shower Games Kit. Make your baby shower an epic celebration for everyone. This kit brings fun and laughter, ensuring all your guests have a blast. It includes 5 exciting games like Baby Predictions, Emoji Pictionary, and Guess Who Mommy or Daddy. Each game is professionally printed on thick, sturdy cards, measuring 5 by 7 inches. These games are designed to be easy to play, acting as a great icebreaker for your guests. No special preparation is needed, simply open the box and start the fun. Adults and co-eds alike will love these engaging activities. They fit seamlessly with any baby shower theme, making planning simple for you. This set provides everything you need to create lasting and cherished memories. It ensures your special day is filled with joy and laughter for years to come. What we like? This kit provides a fantastic variety of 5 different games to keep your guests entertained. With 250 pieces, it ensures everyone can participate in multiple activities. If you want a comprehensive entertainment package with diverse options for all your guests, this set is perfect. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 3. Printed Party Baby Shower Bingo Game. Make your baby shower unforgettable with this engaging bingo game. It's designed for both boy and girl celebrations, adding a touch of excitement to the party. Guests simply fill in each square with gifts they anticipate the mommy-to-be will receive. It's a delightful way to interact and celebrate the upcoming arrival. Forget complicated preparations, this game requires no setup at all. Just distribute the cards, and everyone can immediately dive into the fun. Crafted from thick, high-quality material, these cards ensure a smooth writing experience. You won't have to worry about smudges, keeping the game neat and tidy. Featuring a charming rustic craft paper design, it perfectly complements any baby shower decor. This versatile theme is ideal for celebrating either a baby boy or a baby girl. With 50 cards included, there are plenty for all your guests, regardless of group size. Everyone can participate and enjoy the festivities. What we like? This offers a classic gift bingo game with a charming rustic craft paper design. Its 50 cards ensure plenty of participation, and there's absolutely no setup required. If you appreciate a timeless game with a stylish, earthy aesthetic and want zero pre-party stress, this is your go-to. What people say. The product features a durable design and effective functionality. Its intuitive operation makes it very user-friendly. Number 2. InvitationHouse Pink Floral Baby Shower Bingo Cards. Make your baby shower unforgettable with these delightful pre-filled bingo games. They are designed to entertain all your guests. No need for tedious preparation, these cards come pre-filled. Simply hand them out and let the fun begin. Each set includes 24 unique bingo cards, ensuring everyone has a distinct game. You'll have plenty for all your attendees. Printed on durable 110 pounds card stock, these cards feel substantial and look elegant. Their 5x7 size is perfect for easy handling. A caller's card and full instructions are included, making it easy to host the game. You'll have all the tools for a smooth and enjoyable experience. What we like? This set stands out with its pre-filled bingo cards, eliminating any guest preparation. It includes 24 unique cards and a caller's card, making it incredibly convenient. If you're looking for an elegant, ready-to-play option with a beautiful pink floral theme, this makes hosting effortless. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 1. 50 Gift Bingo Rustic Shower Party Game. Looking for a unique way to entertain your guests? This classic game adds excitement to any celebration. It's perfect for breaking the ice and creating lasting memories. Whether it's a bridal shower, baby shower, or anniversary party, it fits right in. You can even use it for engagement parties or bachelorette celebrations. Its charming craft rustic design complements any vintage or rustic theme. These sheets add a touch of elegance to your event decor. Guests fill in blank squares with their gift predictions. As gifts are opened, they mark off their squares, aiming for bingo. It's simple, fun, and keeps everyone involved. Each game sheet is a generous large size, providing ample space for writing. This ensures all your guests can easily participate and enjoy the game. What we like? This provides 50 large, blank bingo cards, allowing guests to personalize their game. Its versatile craft rustic design fits various events beyond just baby showers. If you prefer a customizable game where guests fill in their own predictions and want a design that works for multiple occasions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.